Hey everyone, welcome back to Corporate Decoder, the place where we peek behind the curtain of the corporate world and uncover the real stories hidden in their filings. Today we're diving into RenaissanceRe Holdings Limited, specifically looking at their latest report that dropped on the 3rd of February 2026. Folks, it seems RenaissanceRe has been busy, and we're here to tell you exactly what it means for the company and for investors. Before we dive deep, if you are enjoying these straightforward financial breakdowns, make sure to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. We also have a fantastic Discord community linked in the description below where we discuss these filings in real time. So come join the conversation. So this report is a current report filed on the 3rd of February 2026. Basically, it is like a quick update from the company about something important that just happened. And in this case, RenaissanceRe Holdings Limited, or the company as they call themselves, put out a press release on this very day. This press release is all about their financial results for the fourth quarter and the entire year ending the 31st of December 2025. Not only that, but they also made available a financial supplement, which is usually a more detailed breakdown of all the numbers. Now, RenaissanceRe is a pretty big player and they're incorporated in Bermuda. You might know their stock symbol as RNR on the New York Stock Exchange. They've got a few different classes of shares, including common shares and what they call depositary shares. These depositary shares are a bit fancy, representing fractional interests in different series of their preference shares. For example, they have depositary shares, each representing a 1/1000th interest in a series F5.750% preference share, par value $1 per S-share, and another called depositary shares, each representing a 1/1000th interest in a series G4.20% preference share, par value $1 per S-share. The tickers for these are RNRPRF and RNRPRG respectively, also traded on the New York Stock Exchange. The main event here is under item 2.02, which deals with results of operations and financial condition. As we mentioned on the 3rd of February 2026, RenaissanceRe put out a press release announcing their financial results for the fourth quarter and full year ended the 31st of December 2025. They also shared a financial supplement that goes into more detail. Now here is a crucial point for us as viewers, and for the CC, the company is stating that this report and the attached exhibits are being furnished to the SEC not filed. This means they're not officially considered part of the public record in the same way as a full filing, and they typically don't get incorporated into other SEC filings. Think of it as them sharing information very publicly, but with a slight legal distinction. So what is in these exhibits? Exhibit 99.1 is the company's press release itself, issued on the 3rd of February 2026. Exhibit 99.2 is that more detailed financial supplement. These are the documents that contain the actual financial numbers and the story behind them, which is what we're really here to decode. While they are furnished and not filed, they still give us a fantastic glimpse into how the company performed. Now, we don't have the full press release or supplement directly in this filing, but the fact that they released it and are furnishing it tells us that the financial performance for the year ending the 31st of December 2025 is the key focus. Typically, these financial supplements expand on the results announced in the press release, giving investors and analysts the hard numbers to chew on. They would usually detail things like revenue, earnings, per S-share, profit margins, and the overall financial health of the company. Since this is their year-end report, it is a really important snapshot of their performance over the past 12 months. Looking at who signed off on this report, we see Robert Kutub, the Executive Vice President and Chief Financial Officer, signing on the 3rd of February 2026. This reinforces that the information being shared is official and has been reviewed and approved by the company's top financial leadership as the CFO. His signature means he is attesting to the accuracy and completeness of the information being presented, as far as the company is aware at that time. Financially speaking, RenaissanceRe operates in the insurance and reinsurance industry. This means they insure large risks, often for other insurance companies or major corporations. Their performance is heavily tied to global catastrophe events like hurricanes, earthquakes, and other natural disasters, as well as their ability to accurately price risk and manage their investments. When there are fewer major catastrophes, reinsurers can often see strong profits. Conversely, a major disaster can lead to significant losses. For the year 2025, how did they fare? Did major weather events hit their bottom line, or did they manage to navigate the risk successfully? The financial supplement would have the crucial details on their underwriting income, investment results, and ultimately, their net income. If we had the numbers, we'd be looking for growth in premiums written. which shows their business is expanding, and careful management of claims to ensure profitability. We'd also examine their investment portfolio's performance, as that is a significant driver of earnings for many insurance companies. A strong year would mean healthy growth in shareholder equity, indicating the company is building value over time. A weaker year might show a decrease in profitability or even a net loss, which could be a red flag for investors. In terms of company direction, RenaissanceRe aims to grow its property catastrophe and specialty lines of business while maintaining underwriting discipline. This means they want to write more business, but only if the price is right and the risk is manageable. Their strategy often involves leveraging their expertise in catastrophe modeling and risk management. This report, by announcing their financial results, essentially tells us how successful they were in executing that strategy throughout 2025. Were they able to write more profitable business? Did their risk models hold up under actual market conditions? These are the types of questions the financial supplement would help answer. A notable risk for companies like RenaissanceRe is the increasing frequency and severity of natural disasters, often linked to climate change. This can lead to larger and more frequent payouts for the company. Another risk is the competitive landscape, with many players vying for market share, which can drive down prices and reduce profitability. On the opportunity side, as primary insurers face more complex risks, the demand for sophisticated reinsurance solutions continues to grow. Companies with strong analytics and capital strength, like RenaissanceRe, are well positioned to capitalize on this. Looking at this filing, the story is clear. RenaissanceRe is reporting on its 2025 financial performance. While this specific 8K filing doesn't contain the detailed numbers, it points directly to the press release and financial supplement where those critical insights lie. The fact that they are highlighting their financial results and providing a supplement means they believe they have positive or at least significant news to share, and they want investors to have access to the details. Now, looking at these results more broadly, RenaissanceRe appears to be navigating a complex and often volatile industry. Their ability to report their results for the full year indicates a stable operation, and the focus on financial supplements suggests a detailed approach to communicating performance. A key strength for RenaissanceRe is its strong reputation and expertise in the reinsurance market. They are known for their analytical capabilities and their ability to deploy significant capital to insure large risks. This positions them well to take advantage of opportunities in the market, especially when larger, more complex risks emerge. A notable risk, as always in this sector, is the unpredictability of catastrophic events. A single major event or a series of smaller events can significantly impact financial results, potentially leading to substantial underwriting losses. The company's investment portfolio also carries market risk, meaning its value can fluctuate with broader economic conditions. However, RenaissanceRe has a history of demonstrating resilience, often adapting its strategies and capital allocation to manage these risks effectively. Their focus on diversification across different lines of business and geographic regions also helps mitigate these inherent risks. In conclusion, this filing is a signal that RenaissanceRe Holdings Limited is sharing its 2025 financial performance with the public. While the specifics are in the furnished exhibits, the act of reporting underscores the importance of financial transparency for the company. It's a testament to their commitment to keeping investors informed about their operational and financial standing in the evolving global risk landscape. Alright, that is our quick look at what this RenaissanceRe Holdings Limited filing is pointing us towards. What is your take on what we discussed today? Do you think their strategy is sound given the current global climate for insurance risks? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this breakdown valuable, hitting that like button really helps us out. And subscribe for more deep dives into the world of corporate finance. And don't forget to check out the Discord link in the description to join our growing community. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on Corporate Decoder.